Guys, look! We found a toy! It's a monster truck! Wow! Wow, so cool! Put it here. Let's look for more, guys. Wow! Look at that! Wow, it's a pile of muddy toys! Wow! In a brown color, guys. Let's check it out, guys. Wow, so muddy! Let's collect them in the basket, guys. Let's clean them all, guys. Wow, so many, guys. Wow, almost done. Okay, the last one, guys. Let's go. Let's find clean water. Okay, let's start cleaning. Wow, it's a fire truck. Wow, so cool. Wow, what's the next one, guys? Wadidaw, it's Bumblebee. Wow, such a cool transformation. Wow, what is the next one, guys? Wow, it's a wheel excavator. Wow, amazing. Wow, what is this? Wow, it's forklift. Wow. Wow, cool. Wow, what's this? Wow, it's a garbage truck. Wow, awesome. Whoa. What it now? It's a battle tank. Wow, amazing. Wow, what is this? Wow, it's Ultraman. Wow, he can fly. Wow, what's this? Wow, it's an aeroplane. Wow, it's taking off. Wow, what's this? Wow, it's a combat aircraft. Wow, marvelous. Wow, it's a cement mixer truck. Cool. Wow, it's a robot. Wow, it chased from rescue boats.
Chase is so by the books, he could be mistaken for a library.
Wow, he's a cop. Wow. Wow, it's a police helicopter. Amazing. Okay, the last one, guys. Wow, it's a blue long bus. Wow, cool. Alrighty, guys. It's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next video. Bye.